Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you earn money while you sleep. We'll be covering everything from real estate to digital products and breaking down each strategy into bite-sized pieces so you can start building your own passive income streams. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but by implementing these strategies, you'll be one step closer to achieving your financial goals. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, this video is for you. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets to financial freedom in 2024.
When we talk about passive income, real estate often tops the list, and for good reason. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of monthly income. Imagine this. You purchase a rental property, and every month the rent checks roll in, covering your mortgage and putting cash in your pocket. As you pay down the mortgage, your equity grows, and the property appreciates in value over time. But hey, I know what you're thinking. Being a landlord isn't for everyone. That's where REITs come in, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without the headaches of direct ownership. So whether you're ready to become a landlord or prefer a more hands-off approach, real estate offers incredible passive income potential.
Now, let's talk about a classic passive income strategy: dividend stocks. Imagine owning a piece of a company that sends you a check every quarter just for being a shareholder. That's the beauty of dividends. By reinvesting your dividends, you can buy more shares, which in turn generate more dividends. It's the magic of compounding returns. Look for companies with a solid track record of dividend payments and a sustainable business model. Do your research or consult with a financial advisor to find the right dividend stocks for your portfolio. So, if you're looking for a reliable way to generate passive income and watch your money grow over time, dividend stocks deserve a spot on your list.
Ever wished you could be the bank and earn interest on loans? With peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can do just that. Here's how it works. You deposit money into your lending account and choose which borrowers you want to fund based on their creditworthiness and loan terms. As borrowers make their monthly payments, you earn interest, building your passive income stream. It's crucial to diversify your investments across multiple borrowers to mitigate the risk of default. Most platforms offer tools and ratings to help you assess borrower risk and make informed decisions. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or CDs. The digital age has opened up a world of passive income opportunities, and creating digital products is at the forefront. Think about it. Ebooks, online courses, software, templates, stock photos, music. The possibilities are endless. Once you've created the product, the distribution and delivery are handled digitally, saving you time and money. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, Udemy, and Skillshare make it easier than ever to reach a global audience and monetize your knowledge. So if you're passionate about a topic and have valuable knowledge to share, creating digital products could be your ticket to building a passive income empire.
Ever wondered how those YouTubers and bloggers make money by recommending products and services? That's the power of affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You partner with a company or brand and promote their products or services through your website, blog, social media, or email list. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to choose products that resonate with your audience and build trust with your followers. Provide valuable content and be transparent about your affiliate relationships. With dedication and the right strategy, you can turn your recommendations into passive income.
There you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas for 2024. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Choose the strategies that align with your skills and interests and start taking action today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money and building wealth. See you in the next video.